Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. About to go hit the junkyard. Got the Panther of Land yesterday, and the steering wheel's off. About 2 degrees. Got to take it back down there and get that straightened out. It was straight when I took it. So now if I hold the steering wheel straight, I'm going to the left. Let me go to the junkyard, see if they got the parts I need, and then make a few more rounds, try to get this steering wheel straight. Officially up to 45 degrees according to the Panther. That is my work temp allowable limits, so I don't have any cold hands or anything like that, so I'm good to go. Here we are, folks, at the salvage yard. Gonna go get a few things for a few people. Expecting to see Buster Brown here because he is off, but I'm at odds with Buster Brown. He kept promising me he was going to come pick up this strut. It's been a week. I have two 850s here now. That wagon and the sedan. So let me see if I can find a good driver's side front fender. Here's the new row. They just disposed of a couple of 850s. One was on this row. Another one was on the next row. Let me see if they get any S80 lights for Oscar. Blue Volvo 850 GLT. Look how clean the interior this thing is. Nice clean dash. Nice seats. Unfortunately, it kissed something. Not good.
Oh, believe me, I have to go back and get stuff. Same feeling, 6 mil back here.
6 mil?
Yeah. 2010. 29 week 2010. Let's see. Looking at this car that looking at for my brother. Brakes are good, but tires are old and dry rotted. Yeah, these are the same. Trying to turn back in the winter here. I thought we were ready for spring. Little snow on the mountains out there. I decided to pop and park out here near this V60 cross country, this cross country XC60, whatever it is. Man, how times have changed. Look at that sharp vehicle there. XC60 next to the Panther. Panther back aligned and well. Now I'm gonna go see what my brother-in-law is gonna do about this other car. It's got a few issues. We'll look at or I'll tell you about it, because they actually did an inspection report, and the inspection report's on the internet, and they send you the link to it, and you can look at the inspection on the internet. Like somebody's car done caught fire over there. We'll see in a couple seconds. Man, if I was over there, I'd be running from that. Got a package from IPD, back order, the 850 door pocket cups where your handle goes in. Those things break. Heck, I bought one for Panther, I guess about 200,000 miles ago, and it just recently broke. So I got a couple of brand new ones in here. I am good to go. Also got a package from FCP. Window guides. I didn't know I was about to break a window, but I evidently wanted to have a few spare window guides, and ended up buying 2 from Thomas. But anyway, I got 4 now, and I got some spark plugs. So that's it for today, folks. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.